So my wife's a big Niners fan, and I forgive her. But I got her this glass with the wood shaving roses in it, but she wants to use the glass. So I'm going to go ahead and 3D print a vase for her to put the flowers in. So I'm going to use Tinkercad. I'm going to merge some pre-designed items that I found on a website called Thingiverse from some other users, and just merge them together so I have a vase that holds the flowers and the Niners logo. Here it is all complete. It holds the flowers good, and now she can use her cup. There's a little bit of an issue with the bed, so they go together good enough, but there's a little bit of warping you can see, but good enough for this.